This time I will show you how to add Microsoft 365 email account to Microsoft Outlook software. If you have Outlook 2019 version, you just add account, then it will pop up, ask your email address and the password. After that, you click OK. It will finish the setup successfully. But for my story is different. I'm using Microsoft Outlook 2016. So in this case, if you add your name, email address, and password, and click Next, it won't work. It will give you an error message. Let me show you the error message. It will show you the error message. The encrypted connection to your email server is not available. Click Next to attempt use unencrypted connection. So if you have this problem, you need to use manual setup. Click Next, and this time you select POP or IMAP connection. From here, you type your name, your email address, and for this one, account type, use IMAP. Incoming mail server for the Microsoft is outlook.office365.com. Outgoing mail server is smtp.office365.com. And for here, you need to type your password. Don't do the next. You need to select more setting. For this one, just check my outgoing server require authorization. And click Advanced. From here, you need to select TLS. Same thing for the outgoing server. So if you search Microsoft Online, this port number it is 993, but actually you need using 143. And for outgoing server port, you're using the same setting as Microsoft posts on their website. You're using this one. And click OK. Now we'll click Next to see what happened. See, log in to incoming server. Send message. Complete. Now let's close. And you are all set. So that's how to add the Microsoft 365 to your desktop software. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.